Hello, friend. Hope you're doing well. I'm glad you made it on Wednesday. It was great seeing you. Um, we're going to look at the strategy keeping a constant difference. And remember, the only reason we use the strategy is because we want to make the numbers hopefully a little friendlier to work with. So we always look at, say, okay, we look at the whole, which is 53. We look at the part, which is 28. We say, okay, can we make the part a friendlier number? So we like to make it into parts of 10. So if we make 28 plus 2, that gives us 30. 53 plus 2, because we want to keep a constant difference between the two numbers. So if we add 2, we have to add 2. So that's 55. So we say, well, if I think about it in terms of rocks, because I know you said I couldn't say M&Ms because it makes you hungry, so I won't say M&Ms. So we have rocks. If I have 5 rocks and I lose no rocks, and I left with 5 rocks. Remember, this 5 is representative of 50, because technically this is 50 plus 5. This is 30 plus 0. So if I have 50 or 5 and 30, well, 50 minus 30 is 2. So I know that 55 minus 30 is 25. So 53 minus 28 also must be 25. Let's look at the next one. If I had 45 Skittles and I lost 17, how many do I have left? Well, again, we want to make the part a friendlier number. So if I use 17 plus 3, that gets me to 20. 45 plus 3 gets me to 48. Remember, we can't change, like the whole has to stay on top, part has to stay on the bottom. So again, if I have 8 Skittles and I lose none, I still have 8 left. If I have 40 Skittles and I lose 20, I still have 20 left. So my answer would be 28. If I have 72 shells, and let's say I want to collect 72 shells, I've only collected 46, how many more do I need to collect? That's another way to look at it. Well, again, we need to make this number friendly. So if I add 4 to 46, that makes it 50, but I'm going to have to add 4 to 72, which makes it 76. So again, if I have 6 shells and I don't lose it, and I have 6 left, and if I have 7 lose 5 is 2, or 70 lose 50 is 20, so the answer must be 26. So I've sent a few problems home with to your mom via an email. Please do your best to solve them. Bring them back with you next Wednesday, and then we can have some fun with this and continue to talk about this as a possible subtraction strategy for you. Thanks, bud. Talk to you soon.